Go ahead with Mr. Shenanigans.
That's a no.
As for your address, yes, Mr. Shenanigans.
Mr. Shenanigans.
Listen, ladies and gentlemen, Lord, your mama. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, sweetheart. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, sweetheart. Don't worry about me. Listen, we will storm your school like storming the yard.
Oh my goodness, me,
We caress the whole community.
KRS.
Listen, every week you gonna see your daddy in your school like,
oh my.
Mr. Shenanigans, I'm gonna continue my shenanigans. Even when I come to your school, I'm gonna do my shenanigans.
Oh my
Even when I come to your school, I'm gonna continue my shenanigans. Even when I come to your school, I'm gonna do my shenanigans.
Oh my. Shenanigans paying the bills.
That's what's up.
Keep going crazy, bro.
I'm gonna continue my shenanigans.
Mr. Shenanigans.
I'm gonna continue my shenanigans.
I swear to God.
I'm gonna continue my
Don't stop the
shenanigans.
shenanigans, bro.
I ain't gonna stop my shenanigans.
How am I gonna get paid if you
Till I
stop?
get older and stop my
I swear
shenanigans.
to God.
Y'all address me as Mr.
I
Shenanigans.
love money. Continue.
Address me as Mr.
I
Shenanigans.
get paid for it. Continue, Mr. Shenanigans.
That's my beautiful daughter. My daughter just gave me the go-ahead. She said I should continue my shenanigans.
Shenanigans.
She said I should continue my shenanigans.
Get on with that shenanigans, bro.
She said I should continue my shenanigans.
Oh my goodness.
She said I have to continue my shenanigans.
Mr. Shenanigans.
She said I have to continue my shenanigans.
Wait for me, bro.
She said I have to continue my shenanigans.
Mr.
She said I
Shenanigans.
have to continue my shenanigans.
Mama mia, mama
She said I have to
sita.
continue my shenanigans.
Mr. Shenanigans.
Well, why you address me as Mr.
I
Shenanigans?
swear to God.
Address me as Mr. Shenanigans.
Mr.
Address me as
Shenanigans.
Mr. Shenanigans.
No title.
Address me as Mr.
Mr.
Shenanigans.
Shenanigans.
I'm gonna continue my shenanigans.
I love it right there.
I'm gonna continue my shenanigans.
Continue, bro.
I'm gonna continue my
Keep
shenanigans.
going, bro.
I'm gonna continue.
Never stop.
I'm gonna continue.
My blood sugar. Mr. Shenanigans. We global now. Chee.
Hey, this guy is a character. Hey, Charles Okocha. Mr. Shenanigans. Shenanigans. Whether you like it or not, you have to take him the way he is. Mr. Shenanigans. This is his first wife. This one understands him very well now. I'm only pitying for the new wife. Hey, Charles Okocha and his daughter. Thanks for watching this video, my people. The guy is so funny.